Good morning and welcome to Fluxx Conference 2025 Middle East. And you are with us with Mrs. Samina Chowdhury. She is from Keller Williams and she's a global real estate advisor. And she has been awarded as well. Plus, she's going to be a speaker too. First of all, congratulations on all the accomplishments. I'm going to ask you, how does it feel to receive an award? And what is the excitement like?
I'm honored and thrilled to be here at the Middle East, representing US and Keller Williams.
Okay. So what are like personally, professionally, we understand this is like a bigger achievement, but personally, what are your thought process?
Um, Grateful to the Almighty that, got me to this platform. And we always strive to see what our limitations are, and how to get to bigger levels. And, like I said, grateful to be here.
Real estate is such a big market nowadays. Everybody is now getting into real estate. What is your opinion on that? Like, does everybody should be in it, or how does it? How does a new person coming into this field think about it?
Real estate, as a top producing agent, teaching agents to have the correct mindset, my suggestion is have discipline. Have discipline in the field and educate yourself consistently with the new technologies, because they say, for example, now we are in the age of the AI basically, and they say that AI is not going to replace us,
Yeah.
but an agent who does not know AI will be replaced by an agent who understands AI. So if you're going to be in this field and keep up with your skills, you have to embrace technology, you have to embrace the new marketing techniques, and you have to understand what this generation, like the millennials and the Gen Zs, are looking for, and embrace their culture.
What was your influence like? For an example, what was the thing that got you into this field at the first? Because now everything is AI and everything is social media, everybody is now entrepreneur, everybody is a real estate agent just because they have a social media. What are the qualities the professional and just the normal influences differentiate, and how does one person have that one advice that can push them forward?
You have to keep in mind that what sets you apart from 10,000 other real estate
Exactly,
agents out
yes.
there, correct?
Yes.
And for me, like, you have to understand it, and when people ask you, like, why are you a top producing agent? Like,
Yeah.
my answer is that I take your culture and heritage and I fit it into an American home.
Ah, I get it.
See,
So
America is a
you
land of
bring,
immigrants,
yes, so you bring one person's personality and everything into their home.
Yes,
Good.
and their culture and heritage.
Yeah.
If you, for example, I cater to a lot of Asian culture, and the Middle Eastern culture. They have uprooted themselves from their country to move into the US.
Yes.
And what I'm trying to tell them is, just because they did that, they don't need to sacrifice their culture, their heritage, their lifestyle that they had back home. They can still have that, and we can still fit it into any American home.
That's amazing. What and how your experience has been so far at Fluxx Conference 2025?
Wonderful meeting new people, networking with new personalities, and creating new ideas with them to move forward with your business. That is
Amazing.
wonderful.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
and
you.
Congratulations. I'm
Thank
really
you.
looking forward to seeing you around. And on that note, this is Talia MK signing off. Before that, be kind, save water, and avoid using plastic. Thank you.